Hi there, my name is Coach Amanda, and this is my best pal, Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to make a lentil dip, something very healthy for us that my friend Jess shared with me, so thank you to my friend Jess. This is only 3 ingredients, super simple. You want to help me make it?
Yeah!
Great. Before we do, I just want to say very quickly that this is a very inexpensive and very good for you kind of an appetizer, or even a side dish, if you will, kind of a side salad. There's lots of protein, 18 grams of plant protein in just 1 cup of lentils, and you wouldn't even be eating that much. This is like 3 cups.
Oh my.
That's a lot, right? So you need salad dressing, so go ahead and shake that up and pour it right in there.
Yeah! I almost dropped it.
Okay, go ahead and pour it in. Yeah, good job. Lentils also have iron and B vitamins, magnesium, potassium, all kinds of good stuff. Fiber.
Oh! Is that enough?
No, we got to put it all in there.
Like the whole thing?
The whole thing.
What the?
So it's about 3 cups of lentils and about a cup of salad dressing. We're kind of guessing here.
I'm going to put this everywhere. No, put it everywhere. No.
Great. Good job. And then the last ingredient is going to be our chopped fresh parsley. Can I do that part? Oh, all right.
Yay! How many cups?
The whole thing. So you want about a cup of that as well. You can just dump it right in, honey. Go ahead.
I want to do scoops. No, I don't want to do. No, I want to scoop it. No.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Get it all in there. And to top it off, you can get a whole bag of lentils for less than $2. Go ahead, bud. Go ahead. Get it all in there.
Still more.
Okay, we'll get this. Okay, that's good.
I don't want to go.
So you can use a nice healthy multigrain chip if you want to dip that in there, but I also recommend cucumber slices. So once this is all stirred up, I'm going to go ahead and continue to stir that for me.
Wait, the film was gone.
Go ahead, keep going, honey. Good job. So what I have here...
Zucchini. Is that zucchini?
That's cucumbers.
Oh, I love cucumbers.
You love cucumber? Okay, good. So we're just going to keep stirring that up.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. Thank you. And then you want to put that just a little bit more. You want to put it into here so that it makes a nice, pretty presentation, right? Because you want your food to be healthy.
Now I want it.
You want your food to be healthy and look appetizing.
Can I do a scoop? I want to do a scoop.
You go ahead and do a scoop. And that's really it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday.
Put 5
Go ahead. Go ahead.
1.
Thank you for watching. See you next week on Food Tip Tuesday. Bye.
And then we gotta keep putting this.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Oh, it's so beautiful. One more? That's it. Last one. Good.
Oh. Get it all around the place.
So pretty. So pretty.
Gotta make it flat. Now we can say goodbye. Bye-bye.